went to Walmart this afternoon and I done found me something. Y'all check out what I found. I found some of Blackstone's new seasonings, the sear and serve sauces, not seasonings but sauces. And you know I had to get them. I got to try this Korean Sweet Fire out. I got to try it. So today we're making some quesadillas on the Blackstone. We're making some Korean Sweet Fire quesadillas on the Black. And what's funny is I didn't even know this until after I got home and I read the side. It's actually got a recipe for quesadillas on the Sweet Fire bottle. So either way, that's what we're making. That's what we're gonna do today. I've actually, kind of tried this out a little bit, and it's some good stuff. But be on the lookout for other recipes and cooks coming along with all their new sauces that they have out. Can't wait to see how this quesadilla is gonna turn out. I mean, if it tastes half as good as that, anyways, it's gonna be good. So, I'm excited, y'all. I'm really excited. I didn't think we'd see the sauces in the stores this early because it's still just early January. I kind of figured spring, but here they are. So anyhow, before we get started, you know the drill. Like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell notification, do all that good stuff. If you're new here, hey, welcome, 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 welcome. Love to have you. If you've been here, man, we love having you. Thank you so much. Also down there in the description, there's a Facebook, a Pinterest, an Instagram, a Twitter, there's an email, there's a P.O. box, there's all kinds of stuff down there. There's also a link to our recipe playlist where you'll find a lot of all our recipes, not a lot of them, all of them. So be sure to check that out because you may find a recipe down there you may just want to try out. Who knows? And if you do, let me know. If there's not a recipe you hadn't seen us do yet, let us know that too. We'd love to try something new. And I know there's been some suggestions, and I haven't forgot about them, getting around to them. And I'll tell you, once I found this sauce, my mind it's clicking now, y'all. It's clicking. So we got to get this thing started. So let's show you our groceries. Before we show off all our groceries, we got to light the fires, baby. We'll kick the tires and light the fires. Now I'm going as traditional with me, these three and off. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go down to about a medium heat, maybe a little bit lower. We'll go a little bit lower. Get that thing heated up. Simple, super simple. This is how we're gonna do our quesadillas. You can change it up however you want to. Of course, we got a couple quesadilla shells here, tortilla shells, the flour. I can't find the corn around here too much, and find plenty of flour. We got some Kobe Monterey Jack cheese, got some shredded lettuce, and I have some chicken thighs that we cut up. And we're gonna season this whole thing up right here with that good stuff right there. It's getting cold out here. Tell you what though, y'all, I see smoke coming off the griddle. You know what that means? It means it's time to cook. Let's get this chicken on here. We're gonna put down just a little bit of oil. It's an Earl. The Earl shine. There we go. Get that chicken on there. Yeah, buddy. Now, normally, I season this chicken with something at this point, but I'm not. I'm gonna let that sear and serve do all the magic. And y'all, this is gonna be a very quick cook. The only thing we gotta really cook is the chicken. We're gonna heat up the quesadilla shells a little bit. Other than that, it's gonna be just putting together. Let that cheese down a little bit. And every now and then just come back and give your chicken a stir. We're just trying to get it done. Oh yeah. One day I'm gonna learn to do all this fancy stuff with the spatulas and or whatever. Be like teppanyakis and that's the Japanese restaurants, but not today. Now this chicken, y'all, is almost done. We gotta try. I'm really excited about this. It's thick. I really don't know how much to put on there, y'all. Let's get it stirred up. Yeah, buddy. This is smelling right. Man, that smells so awesomely good. Look at that chicken, y'all. Look at that sauce. The smell coming off this chicken is amazing. Loving it, love it. So what we're gonna do now is just kind of let that sauce sit there and kind of cook on that chicken. Then we'll slide everything over and warm our tortillas up. Tell you what, let's slide this chicken over a little bit, warm our tortilla shells up, and let's make us some quesadillas. All right, we got our tortilla shells on here. We're just gonna slightly warm them up real quick. We don't really want to brown them up a whole lot. Just make them a little more, they're cold. Make them pliable, make them where we can work with them. Y'all, I can't stand it. Yeah, buddy. Son, wow, that is amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna lick my fingers. That is truly, that's some good stuff. All right, y'all, let's flip our tortillas. Like I say, we're just trying to brown them up a little bit, see there? So all we're trying to do is just kind of slightly toast them. Poke a hole so they don't bubble up on us. If you ever get where they're bubbling up, poke a little hole in them. Sometimes that'll lay them back down flat. If you need to, put a little press on them, but you know, I think this is gonna be fine. But our little TikTok trick is coming up here in a second. Maybe you've already seen our TikTok trick. I don't know. We're gonna find out. I think it's pretty cool. Junior did one the other night, and man, it was awesome. I liked it. All right, y'all. These things are warmed up. I don't really want them, you know, toasty. I want them still pliable. Chicken's done. That's all we got to cook. Let's kill our heat. All the heat's off now. It's time to build these things. Let's slide one of these over here to the back. Let's grab our cutting board. All right, from here is our TikTok trick, y'all. Get your knife, pizza cutter or something. Start right here in the center. Just cut down right through the center here. Make your slit, like that, see? From there, put some toppings on here. Now you don't want to load it down too much. Let's see, what do I want where? I think I'll put some lettuce right here. I think I'll put the cheese right here. And y'all, I'm gonna put a little bit more of this sauce right there. Just a little bit. Like so. Take a spoon and do that. Right there. And then from here, we fold once, like that. Fold twice, like that. And then come back over. Look at that, y'all. How you like that? Isn't that cool? So cool. Got to make another one. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on the Blackstone right here where it's still hot. Let the cheese melt down a little bit. Let's do this other one over here. Okay. Again, they can just cut it down the center. Make sure it cut through. So that's all you want to do is just cut half of it. Now the good thing about this is you can dress these any way you want. Remember, you want to put, you know, lettuce, tomato, onion, whatever you want on your quesadilla. and how much of it you want. That's completely up to you. Let's see, I think I want some more cheese. I think I'm gonna do this in the same way, y'all. Same way. I'm gonna flip this over a little bit. Uh-oh, I lost some of my goodness out of there. All right, same thing, y'all. Fold, fold, turn around where you can see, and fold, press. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Put this over here, let the cheese melt down just a little bit, and we're gonna try these things. All right, y'all. I got me some thumbnail pics. I got me some pictures, whatever to share out. You know, now we got to try these things. But I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, I've tried that chicken already. This Korean Sweet Heat. If and when you find this at your Walmarts, get it. Get it. Got some on my fingers. So good. Y'all, let me cut one of these open for you. I think. Oh yeah, there we go. All the goodies coming out. They ain't made the cut. That's all right. Now look at all that stuff falling out of there. Layers and layers of goodness in there. Pick that back up, put it back in there. Let's try this thing out, y'all. Look at y'all, buddy. That. Man, the flavor of that Korean Sweet Heat does have spice to it, so don't think you're just gonna bite into it. I mean, but it's not an overwhelming. It is so good, man. Blackstone nailed it with that sauce, I'm telling you. Now have it cooked on that chicken. Then give that melted cheese and that lettuce in here. Y'all, give them a try. When you find this stuff, give this recipe a try. Let me know what else you'd like to see me make with this sauce. Or the other sauces, we do have the other two. So get all that done. Let us know what you'd like to see us cook with these sauces. Some new stuff. We have a lot of ideas. Maybe you have some better ones. We'd like to hear them. So you get all that done, I'm gonna get finish this up. See you next time.